welcome to today's video. My name is Sonya and I will be working on my 1986 Toyota Corolla AE86. It's the first day of fall and we are having some major fall weather here in Texas right now, which means I am excited to do some more car shenanigans. It's crazy to think that I bought my car last winter. I bought it in February of this year. We're almost coming full circle. So today I'm going to be installing an aluminum radiator into my car. I got a Mishimoto radiator from, I think it was Injuku Racing. They shipped it pretty fast. Not bad at all. This Mishimoto aluminum radiator looks so big compared to the radiator that I have in my car right now. Let me show you what I have. I actually don't know what it is, but look how small this guy is. I think this might be the OEM radiator, but it looks kind of old. It does have a Mishimoto fan, which I can reuse. And then also, I think these are Mishimoto hoses too. Oh, no, they're Megan Racing. Oops. Oh well, that's okay. There's actually nothing wrong with my current radiator as of right now. I think it actually looks fine, but this is gonna be a track car and I am gonna be driving this car a lot. So I figured the upgrade was a good idea. Okay, I got my bucket down there and it's time to pull the plug. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was not as dramatic as I thought it would be. Ah! Who put Strawberry Fanta in my radiator? The old radiator compared to the new one. This one looks so small. Ow. Look, this is nothing compared to the aluminum one. Oh man, that's crazy. Is this even gonna fit? It should, right? I'm paranoid. I forgot that I needed something to mount the fan onto the radiator, so I had to make a quick advanced auto run for these guys. Okay. that went really well. It was a really easy install. Does anybody else get paranoid when things go way too smoothly whenever they work on their cars? Because I am very worried. I hope that one day I become more confident in my mechanic skills to where I don't worry so much and I can be like, oh yeah, it's done, we're good. I am gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!